flatulence today. But right. Oh look, a knife. Or I thought I'd be able to pick that up. They sound less well than the patients. That guy, what in God's name was he doing here? Probably eating somebody. What is that noise? Yeah, this is on PS2. Oh, chunky napkins. Why is everything napkins? No emulator, just PS2. Oh, hi, hidden door. How are you today? I'm quite well, thanks. Well, I was until you found me. I was hiding for a reason, you know. Oh, sorry. Oh, what a crap weapon. What's even the point of that? Who would use that when they've already got all this good stuff? Well, there's not exactly zombies, but there's weird things, that's for sure. Oh look, it's like a homecoming thing. Puzzle. Whoa, photos on a... This is very interesting, I don't even get it. Greetings, Firegate. Ah. Hello? I couldn't even hear him. Well, that was a nice little cutscene of uselessness. Thanks for that, Henry. You brought this upon yourself. Nurse's memo. I'm so ugly today, and I keep burping. And oh. She was a patient brought in with severe injury. I wonder if you left it under one of the other hospital rooms. Oh. That was an unuseful memo, because I'm going to look in all the other hospital rooms anyway. Wait. Bunch of medical equipment and stuff. Why don't you take some then? What a plonker. Oop! You can only take nutrition drinks and medical kits. Not medical equipment and stuff. Just stuff. Oh. Why do all the rooms open? Because it's a hospital. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, I was just in there. Oh. A hole. I'll go in there in a bit. Before I progress too much further. Oh great, cutscene. Ruined it. Oh my god. It's a woman's handbag. We get scary music for this. Oh wow. That was very uncalled for. Yeah, I'll take a bag. Maybe she keeps a spare pair of undies in there. Wouldn't mind that. Oh, right. Is it revolver ammo? No. Oh, yes! Oi! Why does it even focus on that? That's useless. He doesn't even read it. All the rooms open. Ah! Burp. It's just ridiculous, really. Fuck off! Stupid. the most stupid place in the game, and that's exactly why. It's not even scary. It's like they've turned the infamous hospital of Silent Hill games into a laughing stock. It just makes no sense. All the rooms open again. Oh yeah. Yeah, you better start giving me healing items. Because my room, my apartment, won't be very nice soon. I don't remember where I have to go. Oh good, not that way. Oh, all the doors open except that one. Again. Stop saying it now. Oh, do we have to go up there? I guess so. Oh, the screen just fuzzed. All the doors open. Boop. Oh no. It's not the He's got loads of brains. So many brains that they can't all stay within his body. I'd love to have that many brains. It was quite becoming of him. This place isn't scary at all. Oh, fuck off! Wow. Yeah, my room better heal me. Because I'm going back there right now. And if it doesn't heal me, like I think it doesn't at the moment, then I'm going to be quite angry. Skip! Oh, magical haunted room, give me the strength to go on. Oh, yum! Thank fudge for that. Only if the hole is sexy, or if it belongs to a sexy entity. And that wall was sexy, so I had to. Come on, hurry up. Doesn't take this long to get your health back in Mirror's Edge. I see no lag. Yeah, I'm waiting for my health to come back. Disloyal bastard that it is. Hey, it's that dude. Okay, it's nearly there, and then I'm going to go save it, and I'm done. Ah, I feel so damn tasty now. Oh. No one? No one's haunting my room this weekend. Bye, panda. Let's put that away, because we can give it to her later. Let's put that away, because they're for emergencies only. Put that away, because crap. And now we're going to go save it, and have a look at that one more time. Cool! good. Return from hospital world. It's like an amusement park, this game. All these different worlds.